We were supposed to launch this week, but like most things in the shipyard, plans change. The good news, we've got a few extra days to wrap up the last big jobs. Today, we're sailing the final hull patch. The Antifoul team is laying down the last coats. Tomorrow, scaffolding that's wrapped this boat for 6 months will start to come down. We're on the final stretch now. Let's get to it. Alright, this is the last plate going to be welded into this hole over here. That's the last hole. The last hole.
Last hole.
Guys, thank you. You did a good job. It's been a long time.
3 months here.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man.
6 months?
3 months. I come only for make all inserts in the front of the boat and we stay off the boat.
The last 3 axis holes from the tanks have finally been welded shut. These openings were originally cut to allow full access for blasting, cleaning, and inspecting the inside of the fuel and water tanks as part of the 10-year survey. Now that the internal work is done, the wheels need to be inspected and signed off by the surveyor to ensure full integrity. Only after that can we move forward with surface prep, cleaning the bare aluminum and applying primer and finishing it off with anti-fouling, which in this section will be rolled on to match the surrounding hull. The weather has thrown us another curveball. Even if we wanted to stick to the original launch date, it's just not looking possible anymore. The rain has caused major delays, especially with the anti-fouling work, which had to be pushed back. For now, we just have to wait it out and adjust the schedule accordingly. Now that the weather's finally cleared, the anti-fouling crew is back at it, applying the final coat. This time, they're using an Airless spray system, which is a first for this boat since I've been on board. Normally, this method is reserved for high-performance vessels like racing yachts or fast displacement motor yachts. It delivers smoother, more even finish, which means less drag and better performance once we're back in the water. Alright, this morning the guys are taking off the cover protection on the water line here. They're actually done with all the coatings that necessary for the hull. So we got one here now taking off. Gustavo, he's the one responsible for all this. So today, todos finish?
Finish.
Oh, good. Thank you very much. Looking good. Is that to measure the thickness of the paint?
Thank you.
Ah, okay. Wow.
Microns.
Okay.
Perfect.
That's good to know.
Good.
Good to know. I'm going this way. Thank you. We've been prepping the shaft and the prop for Propspeed, stripping off the old coating over the last few days. It's nearly ready, and we'll apply the new coat just before launch to ensure a clean bond. Propspeed stops marine growth on metal parts, helping the boat run smoother and more efficiently from day one. We're finally starting to pick up the kind of jobs that really push us closer to launch. Right now, I'm detailing the underwater lights, cleaning them up and applying a clear anti-fouling coat to keep them protected. At the same time, Julian, our artist, is painting the custom artwork on the stabiliser. When jobs like this start happening, you know the launch isn't far off. You can feel it now. Everything's coming together and the finish line is finally in sight. The final touches are underway and the launch is just around the corner. Everything we've worked for over the past 6 months is about to pay off. Thanks for tagging along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. The next episode, she hits the water.